So here we are. We're going to be looking more into writing equations from story problems today. So for those of you guys who can't make it, you can watch this at home. But essentially what we're going to do is we're going to be taking word problems and word situations and creating equations out of them so that we can go on to compare them tomorrow or Monday into systems of equations. So for today, we are writing equations from story problems, okay? So there's a couple things we want to look at when we're doing this, okay? We have two different types of equations we can write. We can write slope-intercept form, which is our y equals mx plus b. And we have our standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. I'm going to show you how to set both of them up in this next couple of videos. So for now, we're going to look at a standard form situation, okay? So things we want to look for with both, with slope-intercept form, this is usually used when there's a unit rate and a starting place indicated, okay? The things you want to look for are words such as per, each, every, one time, starting amount, unit rate, increasing versus decreasing. And the things you want to look out for, like a confusing unit rate and the y-intercept. Sometimes they'll use the word per for both situations, okay? So we'll look at some of those. And then for standard form, this is used when you have two things or two situations that are being described at the same time. You're going to look for two items or situations, a total, C, or two unit rates. And then things to watch out for, you just want to make sure you set up the A, B, and C values correctly. So if we look at example number 1 here, we have a story. So the story is this. We have gone shopping on Cyber Monday. The shirts from Forever 21 are $4.50 each. The pants are $6 each. And you have $108 total dollars to shop, all right? So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to use, so I have two things here. We have pants and shirts, okay? So here's your pants, here are your shirts. So, and then we know we have a total of $108. So we have two items, two situations, and a total, okay? So that is an indication of standard form, all right? So in this case, what I want to do is set up my, first of all, I want to identify what my X is. So I'm going to say the X, we'll call the X my shirts. We'll do that in purple. So that's my shirts. And then my Y we will do in green, and that is my pants. So in this scenario, we are going to set up our equation as using AX plus BY equals C. So I'll say X plus Y equals C. And our C is going to be our $108, okay? And then our X is our shirt, so those are $4.50. And then our pants are $6 each. Some serious deals. I can't buy pants for $6. They don't make, that's not enough material to cover my large body. All right, so we have our equation. So I'm going to write it over here. So it's 450 x plus 6y equals 108. So now what I want to do is take a look at the actual question here. So my question says, if you buy 12 shirts, how many pairs of pants can I buy? Well, we know that this is my shirts. X are my shirts because we figured that out from here. So I'm just going to plug 12 in to X. So I'm going to plug that in now. So I'll write that out. So we have 450 times 12 plus 6y equals 108. And I'm just going to multiply that, and it's going to give me 54 plus 6y equals 108. Okay? So again, we took the 12 shirts, and plug that into X. So it's like a function, okay? So now that we have 450 times 12, that equals 54. So that's all I did. So now I want to solve for Y, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to subtract 54 from each side because I know that I can do that. And that helps me get the 6y more isolated. So that is going to give me 6y equals 54, because 108 minus 54 is 54. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just, I have 6 times y, so I'm going to divide that to do reverse operations. I'm going to be left with y equals 6, y equals 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 divided by 6 is 9. So that is my solution, okay? So how many pairs of pants can I buy? I can buy 9 pants, or 9 pairs of pants. All right, so there is my answer.